Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sennheiser earbuds with iPhone. First of all, you have to remember to charge the case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%, and at the back you can find this input for the USB-C cable. Next, we have to open our case, remove both earbuds, and take a look for these indicators. In the most cases they will turn to the pairing mode automatically, so they will start blinking blue and the red. Let's wait for a few seconds. If it is not going to work, I'm gonna show you how to move them to the pairing mode manually, and let's do this right now. We have to basically click and hold these touch controls together until this indicator turns to the blue. So let's click and hold them. As you can see right now, we can release because they are blinking. So put them close to your iPhone. Then we have to go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth settings, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switch here. And for some reason, this pairing mode just simply turned off. So we have to activate it one more time, click and hold the earbuds. Okay, right now, as you can see, they appear on available devices list. So select them. Pairing is unsuccessful. For some reason, this pairing mode another time just turns off. So I'm gonna show you this quick fix. Just close them to the case for a few seconds until this indicator turns green. Take them out of this case, and now just simply just repeat this step. Click and hold buttons, they are blinking, release, and pick them from the list. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. The second step is also very simple. We have to go for the App Store, and I can recommend you to download the Sennheiser application because we will unlock very useful features of our earbuds. So tap on the search pool, type Sennheiser. We have to get that application. Now just wait until the download will be finished. Okay, so right now we can finally open this application. We have to accept all of these permissions. Click skip in the right upper corner. Click OK to get the Bluetooth permission for the application. I can recommend you also to activate the notifications for new firmware. Select headphones and in-ears. Right now the application is looking for nearby devices, but as you can see, when we are connected by the standard Bluetooth settings, we just have tap on them once and the connection will be set up automatically. So we don't have to move them to the pairing mode for another time. They blinks on the blue, so it means that they are synchronized with the application, and here we can simply swipe right. And here we are. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.